Michael and Christian. All of you don't do your assignment. You're not doing your assignment.
Come again?
Are you hearing me?
Yes.
I say if you have not done your homework, if you have not the homework I gave to you, if not done them, then you have no business in this place.
We've sent it.
You sent it to my group, to my email.
Yes.
But yesterday's homework,
Yes,
I first sent it to you, but I've done
you've done it.
it. Yeah.
Set is still connecting.
Right.
Oh, okay. Have you done the homework?
Oh, I didn't know you were submitting it today.
So you've not done it?
Yeah, yesterday
You're
I
busy.
closed work late, so
Yes, I see. Because
yeah,
I know.
I closed work late. So tomorrow.
Tomorrow. You said tomorrow.
Definitely.
Oh,
Tomorrow is Friday.
okay, tomorrow is Friday. Okay, fine. Okay. So we should give them till tomorrow, isn't it? Class, those of you have submitted.
Okay. Yes.
Okay, so we are giving you till tomorrow. Tomorrow, no excuse. Everybody must submit. No
Okay.
excuse. Yes, tomorrow, no excuse. So what are we doing today? I didn't prepare for you today, honestly.
So we're just going to discuss the homework.
Yes, my plan was to come and do, I didn't prepare any new topic for you today. My plan was like, we are coming to discuss the homework. That was my plan. We are coming to,
Okay.
Oh, okay.
yes. I didn't plan any new topic for you, but let me know the new topic we are to treat. The next topic we have in mind.
Structures.
Oh, very good. It's not a difficult topic. It's a very simple topic. It's a simple topic. Structure. The structure, any of you, I hope you, are you with me?
Yes.
Now, a structure, let me change your focus to my notepad so that you can see what I'm writing. A structure is similar, I can say similar to records a table. Are you with me? Records in a table. Okay. Yeah. A structure, again, another one. Furthermore, a structure is a type that can accommodate. Accommodate, is it correct?
Yes.
Accommodate multiple data of different data types, data types. All right. So a structure is a type that can accommodate multiple data of different data types. Now, unlike continuation, unlike an array, which is a collection of multiple data of the same data type. All right. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So if you look at this foundational information, this particular foundational information, if you look at it very well, you will see a structure as banana, Very, very simple, very, very easy. I just finished with banana. I wasn't struggling to eat it. I was just munching the banana. It was just too easy to eat, and you swallow it with ease, and the digestion is very easy. So that's why I liken structure to a banana. Yes, you go and try it when you get home or when you finish with this class. Go and buy banana and eat and see what I'm talking about. It's very succulent.
I have sound here right now.
You are my witness. You are my witness. You are my witness. All right. So let's go straight to code blocks and define a structure. So, and then let me, still on the notepad, let's see how three things that you need to know. Three things that must be understood about structure. All right, and these are: one, how to define a structure.
So we can see your.
You can see my notepad. You can see. Wow, 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 wow. All right, can you see now?
No.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Yep.
We are
I can.
defining.
Okay.
Can you see now?
Yeah. Yes.
Structure in C language. All right, that's the topic. Okay, the structure is similar to records in a table. Furthermore, all right, furthermore, a structure is a type that can accommodate multiple data of different data types, unlike an array, which is a collection of multiple data of the same data type. Now, three things that must be understood about, about structure. One is how to define a structure in the code, in C code. All right. Now, two is how to create an object of structure. Okay, how to create an object of structure, or how to create objects generally. All right, how to create objects of structure. And then three, then how to access structure members. In other words, assign values and getting values. Are you with me? How to access
Yes.
structure members, assign values and getting values. These are the three main things you need to understand about structure. Am I communicating? When it gets to the first one, that's how to define a structure. How to define a structure. Okay, now, first thing to do is in the int main, all right, before then, outside the int main, you have a keyword called struct, followed by the name of the struct. Let's assume that we want to create a struct called employee. Struct employee, and then of course you stop with your opening and closing and then semicolon there. So we have struct. We start with the keyword struct. So it starts with the keyword, struct. Okay, then followed by the struct's name, the struct's name, struct's name. All right. Okay. So example. Now these are the this. So this is the example. Example. All right. Struct employee. So in the struct now, we are creating int staff ID. All right. It's an integer, and then we have car, maybe fn. That's character array. All right. Character array, and then we have car ln. That's another character array. You understand? And then, of course, you need to semicolon. Then next, we have what? We have a float. Okay, no, before float. Float, let's say float, basic salary, basic salary, basic salary. All right, and then float, medical allowance, med allowance. All right, plus also, so and so on and so forth. Float, housing allowance, house allowance. All right, and then float, net pay, and then float, gross pay. Okay. All right. So this is it. Now you come to this place. You created an object of employee. So all this, in other words, wait, I don't know. Okay, all this. Now you can see all this. They are employee members. They are what?
Employee members.
Employee members. Now, objects can be created at a go here. I can decide to say, okay, obj1. All right. No, sorry. After this, sorry. I can say obj1. That is, I have created initial. This is initial optional. Now, initial optional created object. Am I communicating? Am I communicating?
Sir, come again.
Yes.
All right. I said that we have after the closing of the structure here, we are creating obj1 object. At the creation of a struct, employee struct, we are creating obj1, which means it's the initial optional created object. In other words, this particular object is optional. I may decide not to put anything here. Am I making sense? Okay, they are not hearing me because of internet.
Okay.
All right. So here, and I can say obj1 dot staff ID. Staff ID. The spelling we can see is case sensitivity is very important when dealing with C language. So staff ID is equals to maybe 999. All right, and FN is equals to, you need to use X copy. I think X copy, right? Is it X copy or string copy rather? TR copy, STR copy, using brackets. I think, how do you remember how to use the str copy?
Yeah, str1, str2.
Okay, you've forgotten. Okay, let's do it this way. Okay, I think
Yeah.
this is, I've forgotten myself. Myself, I've forgotten. But in any case, I will get back. I will find out. Then get back to you. But in any case, let's continue. So we just say obj1 dot what? Fn is equals to maybe Mike. All right, Mike. Okay, and then obj1 dot ln, okay, is equals to, you know, is equals to Priscilla. Where are the rest? So many people, where are the rest? They won't come. Eh?
Some people have been joining for like a month now.
You said?
Sir,
I said some people have been joining for like a month now.
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
So C is also object-oriented programming.
Yes, 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 of course, yes.
Okay.
Yes, so the basic salary. No. Set.
Sir,
What was your question? What is your question?
I was saying that I was asking whether it's like Python. You see, like objects, they deal with objects. So I was asking whether it's also an object-oriented program.
C programming language?
Yeah.
No, not at all. Not at all. Please. My mind was not in your question. The question we were asking, no.
But why are they dealing with objects?
Because this is structure, it's not classes. You know, when we deal, classes are different from structure. You know, when we deal with classes, when we're talking about object-oriented, we are talking about classes and objects. That's when you create a class, then you define an object from that class. But this is similar. It's actually similar, but it's not, because there are a lot of things that you can do with classes that you cannot do with structure. And structure is very limited, very, very limited compared to classes.
Okay.
So that's it. Yeah. Thank you. You're welcome. All right. So we say object obj1, the basic salary is equals to probably 5,700, something of that kind. And then we now say obj1 dot what again? There are so many things. All right, but we just copy it, so we're not wasting our time. We copy it and put it on the allowance made allow is equals to maybe no, we don't know. We are going to calculate that. We are not going to. We can't calculate it with function with a structure. If it is class, that's the one thing I'm saying. If it is class now, we can calculate it, but we can't do that. So let's call it basic salary. No, made allowance. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's say 2.5. All right. Then obj one dot house. Okay, house allowance is equals to 4.7. Let's do it that way. No. Okay, let's say 40.5. And this one is 20.5. And then next we have obj1 dot net pay. Net what? Net pay, isn't it? Net pay is equals to no, we don't know that one yet. So we do the gross pay first. So gross pay. Are you with me? Priscilla, are you
Yeah.
here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is equals to, how do we get the gross pay? We just say salary, salary plus what? Plus med allowance, then plus house allowance also. That's the gross pay. House allowance, that's the gross pay. And then we didn't have, there's no deduction. Oh, there's no deduction. Anyway, so gross pay. Gross pay is the same as net pay. Net pay. So OBJ. So let's just say we don't have net pay because we don't have deduction in order to calculate the net pay. You understand?
So
Like time.
it's basic salary rather.
Yes, but we don't have a deduction. We should have probably put tax or loans deduction so that we can deduct the gross pay. I mean, we can deduct all these allowance from the. So that's where we're going to get the net pay. But anyway, we will save that
Now
till when.
I'm talking about you've written salary. It's
Oh,
basic salary.
okay. Yes, you are right. Basic salary. All right. So basic, yes, I'm correct, isn't it? So let's just copy this. All right, to code blocks. So create a new project. Let me just shift your focus to my code blocks. This is my code blocks. Can you see it?
Yes, sir.
We are creating a new project C, and then we call it, structure. All right. So in this particular structure, okay, this is it. You can see. Can you see?
Yes.
Very well. So this is it. All right. So if you run it, we won't have problem, but nothing is going to show because we are just assigning values. We didn't display any value. I hope you know that. So
The house allow it to generate error.
are you sure?
At the object one dot gross pay. The house allow you didn't bring the O. Object dot gross pay. Object one dot gross pay.
Yes, it's true. Line 22, the last word.
Yes. Okay. Yes, you are right. Allowance. Okay. And then this one too, there will be error here because of full stop. Have you seen?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So there should be semicolon here.
Semicolon.
Mm. All right, so let's run it. Hey, Mike, I know. You know why? That's why I was looking for how we can use the string copy. Because right now, to put something in the character array FN, we can't do it like this directly. We have to use string copy. Let me just look up how we are going to make use of string copy. C is a kind of difficult language. They have made C++ simpler.
So C++ is better. Or
Oh, Charlie, it's simpler, but it's simpler than C. Yeah, man, they simplified. That is what we have in C++, and they have simplified it actually. But C is
okay.
good. Yes, C is good if you are developing a system application. You know what I mean by system application?
Yes, sir. Like drivers and all those things.
Exactly. Okay, so string copy. Okay. I think I found it. So we simply say str copy, then str copy, then put bracket object into bracket like this, and then no, like this, and then comma. So we are putting,
Oh, no.
you get it?
Yes.
So this is how we do it. You understand? Is
No,
that clear?
no, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
That's it. That's it. That's it. STR. Okay, you're right. There's this. There's no copy there. There's no O here. There's no O here.
Yes.
It's strcpy, right?
Yes.
You are right now, isn't it? So you do the same thing for the last name. If not, you get the same error. All right, obj1.ln, and then here, comma will be here, and then close your bracket here. You are done. Let's run it again. Yes. So that one is gone. We are through with that line 17 and line 18. So now line 21, 22, obj dot gross pay is equals to basic salary, which is this, basic salary plus med allowance, which is correct, plus house allowance. What is the problem with this? We have a problem with this. Shouldn't have a problem with this, isn't it? There shouldn't be a problem with it. Let's look at the view log. Line 22. You see it's an error because med allowance undeclared, house allowance undeclared. Is that true? Can it be true? Yes, it is true because computer doesn't tell lies. It is we, the programmers, that tell lies. So let's go and troubleshoot it. Undeclared. Yes, yes. Are we saying this true? Are we saying it's true? Are we saying it's true?
Yeah.
Eh?
I didn't see it.
You didn't see it. Okay, I will show you. So it won't work like this unless I say obj1 dot basic salary plus obj1 dot med allowance
Oh, okay.
dot
Yeah.
obj1 dot house allowance. So once
Yeah.
I do it this way, I'm good to go. So let's run it. Okay, it's running very, very perfectly. But nothing is going to show because we've not asked it to display anything. Am I communicating?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So coming to this place, so we now going forward here, from here
Yeah, can you go up a little bit? I want to
to the,
check something.
okay, here,
Yes.
okay, all right, all right, quick, have you done it?
It's okay.
Okay, so we come here, now getting to the output. So we have output here, output, output, and then of course you have your printf, printf, maybe out, right, output. Okay, so of course, your backslash n and your semicolon, and you can printf again. All right, and then okay, this time around not output but underline. All right, and then you printf again. This time around not output but uh, staff ID. So printf, oh sorry, staff ID, right? So ID, staff ID, then staff ID is integer, isn't it? Is it integer? Yes, it's integer, isn't it? Yes, it is.
Yeah.
So percentage D, and followed by obj1 dot staff ID. All right. Okay, then obviously you go ahead and do the same thing to every one of them. So this is staff first name, first name, first name, you know, is string, so it's going to be S, sorry, S, so change this one to dot FN. And then next, you have the last name, last name is also S, isn't it? And, of course, this is dot LL. And what next is the basic salary. Basic salary, of course. Basic salary is float, so it's going to be LF4 dot basic salary. And you have the next one is what? As medical allowance. Medical allowance is very important in the face of this coronavirus. So you need medical allowance.
Who's going to give you medical allowance?
You need it. We need it. Oh, we need it.
Who is going to give? The government or
the government. Medal.
The health workers? Only the medical doctors get.
Are you sure? So you people, you know, chop money. Why do you say you know chop money?
Oh, they don't give us anything. Okay.
Oh, all the billions
It's only the
they
people
collect.
who are handling the COVID-19 patients. Only them.
Hey, it's not fair. It's not fair. Okay, so this is housing allowance. Of course, this one dot house allowance, and then lastly we have the gross pay. Gross pay. Gross pay. I mean, Kobe said that his network is messing up, so he couldn't join. So we have gross pay. And gross pay, gross pay, gross pay. After gross pay, what do we have? That's all. All right. So then, of course, okay. So guys, let's run it now. Okay. So if you look at my screen, there's a mistake somewhere. Something is not working fine. Have you seen output? Staff ID is correct. First name is correct. Last name correct. Basic salary correct. Medical allowance, giving us 0. Housing allowance, giving us 0. Gross pay, giving us 0. And you say thanks. What kind of thanks is that? So you see it. Now, why is medical allowance giving us 0? You have seen it because we are using percentage D. So we have to change it to LF. Then change this one also to LF. And change this one also to LF.
So dot LF or
No, not dot LF. LF, percentage LF. Or F, ordinary F, whatever. So you run it again. Run it again. Oh yes, it's now working perfectly. That is it. So staff ID is
hey.
first name.
So my basic salary, then the other one still the income.
Then check your output specifier, format specifier. All right. So you see medical allowance, everything is coming perfectly. So let's go back to the code. This is the code. So you can see what I was telling you about structure. That it contains data of multiple different, multiple data of different data types. You can see this one is integer, this one is car, this one is float, and we can see double if you want. We can see whatever, any other